Chopper's coat doing a coconut. Move on to the next coconut. Let's grab this one. Chopper! My throwing might not be good because I'm holding the camera here. And it's really bright outside, so I can't see where I'm angling it. So it's kind of hard to see where I'm angling it. He chewed this one up the other day. He chews them up and then he drinks all the coconut. And so yeah. What's up, guys? Okay. Just chewing on a coconut. Let's get it right here so I have a good angle. You might hear my little brother banging in the background. This video is about Chopper. It's like an ASMR for a dog chewing a coconut. He's a good boy, though. While he's chewing on that, look at our backyard. It's a big open space. There's another coconut over there. There's a lot of coconuts, actually. And it's just pretty cool. And that's our shed. It's just covered with bushes. And over there, my pops made something, and I'll be right back because I need to show you something that I made in science. Okay, so I made these plants in science, and we just put them in a pot because they were growing big. The soil is still damp, and there's new ones growing in, see? I don't know what that is, but I think it's like a worm or something. Oh no, one is getting a little bit smushed here. Let me stand it up. There's two right here, so I need to like untangle them a little bit. I don't want to pull the wrong one and hope they're not knotted. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Okay, back to Chopper. Where did he go? He's not there anymore. Oh, I think he's over here. He's in there. Guys, look. If you guys look closely, you can see him. Chopper, look. You can see him. He's in there. Chopper's in the thing. Look, guys, he was literally in the bush. I think he does that a lot. Here's my little brother. Say hi, Bray. Say hi. Hi. He's so cute. Okay, where's Chopper? Oh, I think he went inside. So this is going to be a Chopper, an outside, and little brother video. This is just a naturally video because I don't really want to make a Sophia and Emily video right now. I just posted one that was like really dark and depressing, and it was Sophia and Emily, and something's happened to Sophia, and Emily did it and involved, yeah. But luckily Sophia is okay because here she is now. I came because my dumb sister Emily acted like I was dying for no reason on the video, and I was just really, I was really confused, so I just went with it. I acted dead, and she got really sad because I think she thought I was actually dead. So they took me to the hospital for no reason. Oh. I dropped my iPad in the grass. Don't want to end the video on accident. Here's our pool. It's not cleaned yet. Here's Chopper. He's coming back. Come on, Chop. Let's go. I think he just wanted to get some water or something. Come on, Chop. Go get your coconut. Here's my mom. Say hi.
Hello.
That looked weird. But, okay. Come on, Chop. This is a Chopper Naturally video. Chopper was chewing on a coconut. Chopper's just laying down. Look at his paws. He's cleaning himself.
I would put that damn light back because you're gonna get one blood light.
Come on, Chop.
And knock it out.
Hey! He pulled my plant leaves off!
Where?
He pulled my plant leaf off!
Okay, well, we won't let him.
He killed it! Oh,
He
how
said I was
dare
gonna
you.
happen. He said I was gonna happen.
How dare you.
He said I was gonna happen.
no. I'm so sad now. Because I think that was a radish plant. He's so mean. I want him away from my plants now. So mean. I think I need to put him in the sunlight. Hopefully they will still live. Should I put him in the sunlight, Mom? Because there's not much sun coming here.
I'll be back. It'll come over.
And there's like a big plant right here just in case it like rains. It could like cover it so it doesn't rain too much. And then that's a pumpkin plant over there.
Look, he's crawling underneath there. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Hi! Silly. And he's under. Oh, really? Why is he wearing my shorts?
They used to be your shorts. They're too small now.
Yeah, well, they are too small. And my grandpa built all this tile around the pool, and he built this whole thing. Can't see, but you guys can see it. And like he built everything that was like tile, like this, like the thing that my mom's sitting on. He made these stairs. He made all this from scratch, and he made all this all the way up to here. And there's more, but there's just a lot of tiles. And he like did little edgings around the pool, as you can see right there. Yeah. So let's just go play around and let it be a naturally video. I wonder where Chopper is. I think he went back in. Not sure. Probably hiding somewhere in there, something. And over there is my room, where me and Sophia, where me and Emily sleep. Well, Emily is currently still sleeping, so when she wakes up, I'll do a video with her later. But she should be asleep still because it's 9:40 in the morning, and she should be up. So, yes, I did a little gaming. And I did some gamings on her account, and I found out that she has something weird on there, and I don't know what. But I'm about to update Mom about that because she's too little. So, yeah. And she has like a lot of friends that I don't even know, so she doesn't know on there, and she like talks to them. And like, you don't know if they're actually the people you think you're talking to. They're just some old person there, you know? Yeah. And so, when you do this, yeah. Oh, look who's coming out. Chopper. Chopper's back out. So let's go visit him over there. I don't know if I'm covering the camera. No, I don't think I am. Chop. Oh, my lighting is off.
Hi, Chopper.
Look at my nails, guys. They're terrible. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, YouTube.
Two.
Tried.
Say hi, YouTube.
Say hi.
Two.
He doesn't want to talk
Say
anymore.
hi.
I don't think he wants to talk anymore.
Say hi, YouTube. YouTube. No.
So yeah, there's not much to do. My goggles are still down there.
No.
I was going to jump in last night, but it was too cold, so I did, because like my pops promised me he would jump in after I got in, and I started getting in, and he started going inside a lot, so I just got out and went in my bed and started gaming with Emily. And by the way, this is not Emily because I keep saying Sophia. I'm just used to saying, I'm used to Emily saying Sophia instead of, and sometimes I repeat my name. Yeah. Like I get them confused because Sophia and Emily, I'm Sophia the first, and she's Emily, the last Emily on earth. She's Emily the third because she's in third place. She's in third grade and I'm in fourth grade. I think I'm going on to. I already did area perimeter. I only did long division. I think I'm gonna do a long division video with the third grader, my little sister Emily. And yes, Emily does have a little brother, which is my little brother Brayson. So Sophia and Emily and Brayson.
Now. Ears.
What are you drawing?
You. Sophie's
No.
hair.
Stop. I'm leaving this
Sophie's
place.
hair.
I'm gonna sneak inside. Hi guys. Hi guys. I'm gonna sneak in here.
Three bodies that were exhumed and tested, well, the results are back from those remains as well.
There's someone in there. I can't go in there. Okay, I'm just gonna stay outside for a little bit. This video has been 13 minutes.
Who is her?
Is that Kitty? Meow.
Come on.
Yeah, reset off there. Cops will get mad. Okay. So yeah, and Brayson pulled off these leaves right here. These leaves right here because he was just being bad and I guess he wanted to. I'm not sure. I don't know what that was. Looked like it was kind of poking it, so I pulled it out. Guys, look. Should I plant this in there? Whoa, this is pretty big. I don't think I should. But look how pretty that is. See? Mom, look how pretty these tulip things are.
Tulips?
They look like tulips for right now. Because they have like little green. You know the pink flowers that go like this? And they're like green on the bottom and then pink like on the little tops? Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, are those tulips?
No.
Oh. Well, they look like tulips when they're like growing. Oh, yeah. Brayson, let me see your muscles. Let me see your muscles. Yeah. Let me see your muscles again. Yeah. Okay, guys. Well, I'm going to end it here because I'm going to go inside because I'm getting a little tired. Shut this screen door. And I'm just going to chill out for a little bit because I want to. Here's my mom's purse. It's very fluffy. It's very dark. My camera has to get used to the light again. Because you can see, if it goes like that, it's very good. But like, it looks dark. And it's not dark. That looks creepy. I'm not going to go to there. That looks creepy. I don't like that. So yeah, guys. That's all I have for you guys today. Make sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. Turn on all of the notifications. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.